Hi, my name is Matthew Garrett. I'm a production planner here at Stronghold Products in Louisville, Kentucky. As a production planner, I schedule production for all custom orders that Stronghold receives. As an order gets received, it goes through our sales department, then it goes through our engineering department who creates that custom order, and then I receive it, and I basically take that order, analyze each one by one. I'll schedule that order accordingly, and I give them to our programming department, who will then program that order to be burnt on our lasers here in-house. What I love the most is seeing orders that come through on paper or come through digitally translate into real products. These are real products that are going to go to real people, our customers, and they're going to use them. It comes from an order, comes to a spreadsheet, and then it goes to our shop on the floor, and these cabinets come to life, and I love to see that happen. I love being a part of that process.